And so this is where it all happened, right down here.
Mm.
There was water coming in somewhere, and with both of us asleep, that meant that something bad was really going on. So we weren't exactly sure what was happening until we turned on the light. A black water flood.
Did it ever cross your mind that I'm going to lose this property?
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely, because
Tell me.
it got so bad that it was like we just didn't have any idea that how it could be remedied. And it was like we can't ever live in this space again because it was worse than just like water. It was everything that came down the sewer line from the block and a half above us. I guess not really afraid of, but we were anticipating people coming in and saying, you know what, this is uninhabitable. And it was our home and our business.
What happened when Service Master by Cornerstone got involved?
You can look around and see that they really did a much better job than I ever thought could be done, considering the fact that I thought we were just going to be over.
And when you see the difference,
Oh.
how do you reflect on Service Master by Cornerstone?
It's like I don't think there's anybody else that I would ever consider using, and there's nobody else that I would ever feel good even recommending. I mean, I've recommended them to other people just because of that level of care and empathy, I guess is the word I'm looking for. They just made you feel like, it's going to be all right. It's a process. We're going to get you through it, and we're going to be there. I know they deal with other situations that are worse. This was bad. This was real bad, but they deal with things that are worse.